So the first method is to restart PC or Steam. For that, simply go to Steam, click on Steam option over here at the top, and then click on exit option. After this, click on start option over here, and then click on power, and now select restart option. This will restart your system. After that, launch the Steam and then try to play the game and check if it's working now. If not, the second solution is to update controller drivers. For that, first you need to connect your PC and controller, and after that go to the device manager in the search option over here. Go to the device manager. Now after it opens, go below and expand human interface devices. From here, select it, right click on it and click on update driver option, and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will install the latest drivers, and after that check if the issue is fixed. If not, the next solution is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, simply go to Steam over here. If you have downloaded the game, go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and then go to the controller tab over here, and here you need to click on enable Steam input and then check if it's working, or then click on disable Steam input. After this, check if you can play the game and the issue is fixed. If not, the next method suggested is to verify integrity of game files. For that, simply go to the Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and then click on install files, and after that here click on verify integrity of game files. So once your game files is verified, after that launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. Next is to check for game update. So if there is any update available for the game, simply click on it. Simply you can see here the game needs an update. You simply need to click on update option, and after your game is updated, now check if the issue is resolved. Next solution suggested is to update Windows. For that, what you have to do is simply go to the search option over here, look for check for updates option. Windows update interface will open. Simply you need to click on check for updates option. After you click on it, it will check if there is any update. Once your Windows is updated to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check if it's working without any further problem, or gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, the next solution suggested is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, I have provided the link in the description. Just paste this link on your browser, and after that download and install DS4 Windows for PC, and then launch the game and check if the error is fixed. So all these are the solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working in grounded to game. So that's all for now. Thank you.